everybody, I am here to do the winners drawing for the industrial grunge challenges that were going on in April in my Facebook group, Non-Stop Papercrafts. Each week I had different challenges. I also had some freebies, and anybody that posted using the freebies, making the challenges, or using the kit and also making the challenges, or just making any project with the kit, I put your name into a drawing. And I went through the whole of the Facebook group for the month of April, and I wrote down everybody that made a post. So those that posted more than once, their name is in here more than once. But yeah, it was really lovely actually going back through April and seeing all of the different things that people have made with the Industrial Grunge kit, and with the freebies as well. There was a lot of freebies, almost a kit in itself if you add up all of the freebie pages, and it was really lovely to see how much fun everybody was having with it. I have finally finished my lap book, and there will be a flip through coming with that very soon. But I wanted to get this winner drawing out because it was supposed to happen at the end of April, but because that was kind of midweek, I was just giving people an extra couple of days if they needed it to finish off any projects. So, as I said, I have put everybody into a wheel. I've numbered people rather than actually typing all of the names in, but I do have the names all written down here. So I'm going to draw 3 winners, and those winners can have a look in my Etsy shop and message me and see which kit they would like to receive for free. So every winner will get a kit for free from my shop. So let's see who is first. So I'm going to press the button and we'll see which number comes up first. So we have number 37. So let's have a quick look. Number 37 is Naomi Shaw. So I'm just going to put a little ring around you, Naomi. You then can choose a kit for free from my shop. So just message me and let me know which one you would like. You can either message via Etsy, my email will be in the description below, or via Facebook. I don't mind which way. Okay, the next winner, who will that be? We have number, oh that's very close, number 26. Let's have a look. Number 26 is Windy Starr. So again, you can choose a kit. Let me know which one you would like. I will put all of the winners' names down in the description below, so I do apologise if I'm butchering your name. I will have them in the description below, so you can check if you are a winner. And the last one then to choose a kit. Oh, again, it was very close. Number 30. So we have Carole Bernier. So well done, Carole. Again, let me know which kit you would like. I do want to say a massive thank you to everybody that took part in the challenges or bought the kit and made things with the kit. All the things I've seen have been absolutely amazing. The design team have done an incredible job as well. Please go and check those out. I will be showing photos of the different things that they've been doing when I do my flip through. But yeah, they are all linked down below. Go and check them out. Go and see what they've made. I always find it so fascinating that considering they're all working with the same kit, their projects look completely different. It's always really fun to see. Well, thank you again to everybody for taking part. We are now obviously in May. I have a new kit out, which some of you may have seen already, Dear Dragonfly. So that will be my next new project for this month. Again, there will be more challenges happening each week. There will be more freebies to go alongside that kit. And again, at the end of May, there will be another prize drawing. If you want to take part in the different challenges, then you just need to hop over to my Facebook group and join if you haven't already. And then just keep an eye out for those challenges coming up and the freebies that will be posted there as well. Thank you very much, everybody. And I'll see you all in the next crafty video. Bye for now.